for Michael. Guys, Bone Tactical Bushcraft Spear. It's not just a spear, it's a complete bushcraft system as well as a fighting knife, okay? We've got this pocket in here. Every knife comes with a sharpener in the pocket, knife sharpener there. The steel is sharpenable for field use. It's not extremely hard, so you can resharpen it if you dull it, if you hit it on something, chip it on some, if you hit it on some metal or something. Double-sided blade, you can strip the paracord. Got a video up on that on YouTube if you want to check it out. You can strip the paracord and cut a stick down the middle and stick it in the middle of the stick, use it as a spear in the wilderness. It's just a super tough, kind of a sharp, really great blade. Like I said, can be used in here as a fighting knife, reverse grip as well, all right? Very good fighting knife, well balanced, and the sheath system, MOLLE compatible, so you guys that are military can put it on your kit, even you guys that are not. It's got the Kydex inside of the nylon, so best of both worlds. Sharp on one quarter here, and on the other side all the way. Be sure to check out the Bone Tactical Bushcraft Spear for all your bushcraft needs. Bone out. Honduran naval base here in Trujillo, the furthest outpost that they have in this general direction. And so this is pretty much the extent of the Honduran Navy here. This is about what you'd see. I don't know how much you guys know about Honduras, but it's maybe not what you would have thought their Navy would look like. I don't know what you would have thought, but... And this large boat you see here is largely in part at the help of the U.S. government in the fight of the war on drugs, which we have a huge, huge, huge influence on here. You guys probably are aware, or could imagine if you're not aware. Couple speedboats here. Well, not very fast speedboats, but they're equivalent of speedboats. I'd imagine that this is a boat that they took from somebody here. And there you can see